Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I am going over how to convert a video to SCORM using ScormHero. Let's get started. The first step is to open your favorite browser and go to ScormHero.com. To use the video converter, you will need to create an account and start a free trial on ScormHero. Go to sign in to do that. To create an account, go to the Create Account link. I already have one, so I will fill in my email and password to sign in. As you can see, I'm on My Courses screen. The video converter is a feature available in a pro plan from ScormHero. So, I need to start my free trial before start to convert. Click on Try Now Free. You will be redirected to the pricing page. For now, all you can do is click on Start Free Trial. Don't worry. You won't be asked to insert your credit card. Great, my trial is activated. Now I can enjoy ScormHero Pro for 7 days starting now. Click on Create Your Courses now to return to the previous page. Now click on New Course. And then, select your video file clicking on the highlighted area. For this tutorial, I will use a sample video to demonstrate how it works. Now, wait a moment until the conversion is complete. Great, conversion is complete. Now you can choose to download or edit your course. I will click on Edit Course to show a preview of how the course looks like. As you can see, everything went well, and the video is running in a SCORM course player generated by ScormHero. So the final step is to download this course. Click on Download. You will be asked the SCORM version of your learning management system. The most popular is SCORM 1.2, and the most recent is SCORM 2004. If you don't know which version your LMS is, I recommend the SCORM 1.2, as it's used by most of the LMSs on the market. Click on Download as SCORM 1.2 to start downloading. And there it is. Your SCORM package is ready to be uploaded to your LMS. If you have any questions on SCORM or anything shown in this tutorial, please leave your comments down below. For more tutorials about SCORM and advanced tips for creating amazing online courses with ScormHero, leave a like and subscribe to this channel. See you next time.